Hello, we are in an era which is the biggest evolution that mankind has ever seen. We used to say that there is a tech revolution that has come, but now we are in an AI revolution. The way we are working is changing every single day. The rules have changed. Your college name, your degree, where you come from doesn't matter anymore. The tools that are being used by professionals at Google, maybe Harvard or Microsoft, it's all available on your phone for free. What you need today is a skills upgrade to work smarter and apply it in your daily life. That is where your life will change. Now you are seeing, I've listed down over here 8 AI tools which are called LLMs, large language models. The list goes on: ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, Copilot, Grok, Meta, Claude, DeepSeek. So let us dive deeper into some of these. ChatGPT. OpenAI came up with ChatGPT. They pioneered the AI revolution. If there is one tool that I would recommend you to use, if you were to use only just one tool, then this is the one. You can do all sorts of tasks. You can write emails, you can communicate, improve on your communication, you can maybe edit your resume, you can plan your trip, you can do multitude of tasks using ChatGPT. It's your all-purpose assistant. Let's move to Perplexity. Perplexity is, again, in terms of searching something in real time, this is where you go. It's a super smart search engine. It gives you access to multiple models. Even ChatGPT's latest model would be available on Perplexity. Copilot. We all know Microsoft, and Microsoft has these famous Word, Excel, and PowerPoint as softwares, which you would have used or you would be using very soon. Copilot is an AI assistant which is embedded in these softwares. So it is absolutely important to know Copilot as well, how to use this. Now if you see, we talked about ChatGPT, Perplexity, and we talked about even Copilot. What is Gemini? Gemini is by Google. It's a Google's multimodal genius. Grok is by company X. It's a real-time news tracker. Meta, you would have already seen that in your WhatsApp. You can ask any number of questions to Meta. It's a WhatsApp's quick helper. Now, if you go to Claude, which is by Anthropic, it's a document summarizer pro. It also helps with a lot of other tasks. DeepSeek, it's a technical problem solver. You want to write code, you can use DeepSeek as well. So I'll say this with a disclaimer that all tools can do multiple level of tasks, but you need to understand which tool is doing what best. So you bring that tool at that point of time. Not necessary to know all these 8 tools. You can just know 2 or 3 also and move your life forward. The idea is to apply. So what you need to do is try it out one model at a time, one tool at a time. That's how you begin your journey in AI. All the best for this journey of yours. Thank you.